In a creaky attic laboratory, a silver-haired genius channels chaos into brilliance as he sketches ideas with gleeful mischief. When the spark hits, he summons ceremonial coffee and a parade of unlikely materials gathered like trophies. The construction unfolds with comic precision, misaligned gears, a drum of glitter, and an assistant beetle tapping a keyboard. Setbacks become punchlines until the device hums alive, producing whirs, pops, and a philosophically puff of steam. At last, the invention proves practical, a gravity-powered snack distributor delivering pastries precisely where needed, inspiring laughter and productivity.